Hey, I'm Brady, and I'm going to show you how to set up your account on Originality.ai. Originality.ai helps users detect AI-generated content, identify plagiarized text, and has a bunch of other cool features that will be useful for publishers and website owners. We'll walk you through the simple steps to create your account on Originality.ai. So you can come here to app.originality.ai/signup or click any of the sign up buttons on our homepage, fill in your name, email address, and a good password, and click continue. And what this is going to do is it's going to send you an email. You can click a link in that email to confirm your email address. And it's going to give you 50 free credits to try out the tool. And then you're going to come to this page next where you can decide what kind of plan you want to be on. If you're not ready to go on a plan yet, then you can come up here to the URL, change it to home/dashboard, and it's going to take you to your dashboard so that you can start using Originality right now. And when you come to this page, your balance is going to be 0 unless you've confirmed your email. If you don't get that email, just hit resend confirmation, and it's going to give you 50 free credits so that you can try out the tool.